to cook pork steak using our electric skillet of salad mat. Okay, so here's our ingredients. We have pork slice here. So we have black pepper, garlic powder, brown sugar, onion, lemon juice, soy sauce, and we have lemon slice for dressing. Okay, so now we're gonna start cooking our pork steak for today's video. So I'm gonna use the electric skillet. It's already preheated for 50 degrees Fahrenheit. So I'm gonna use the pork which is frozen. So what we're gonna do is fry a little bit to defrost. And just dump there. So now we have to put the lid back on. So while we're gonna mix right now with our sauce, marinated sauce, we have soy sauce here, we have lemon and black pepper is in, garlic powder is in, and we have sugar. Just gonna cook this one in about 20 minutes or so. Our electric skillet. So thank you guys for watching my video today. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.